Happy and wholesome social media tip. 1, social media is all about being social. So instead of trying to just post anonymously or make it really businessy, be social, connect with your audience, create authentic content that actually speaks to who you are. To focus on the fun element of social media, I see a lot of brands and businesses that get so worried about the numbers that they miss out on how fun social media can be. 3, give it to someone else. If social media is really stressful for you, or you really just don't like it, or you're confused, hire help. It'll go a lot easier. 4, focus on the platform you like. If you have a really hard time with Instagram constantly changing, or you just don't like the feel of TikTok, you don't need to be there. Or if you do want to be there, but you don't want to spend as much time, then schedule out content there and only spend the time you need to. I hope these help. Let me know in the comments if I should have added it.